This award goes to a confident and professional apprentice who has made a significant contribution to their company. The panel were impressed with their determination and ambition. The judges described this person as an outstanding candidate. The winner of the C&S Fabrications Rising Star of the Year award is Ben Wright from Tribosonics.
So Tribosonics develop innovative and novel sensing solutions in a range of different industries, and my role is really enabling that through the engineering and operation practices ranging from design to testing to manufacturing. One day can be manufacturing new prototypes, and the next can be engaging in customer calls, to the next being design. So the variety there is just astonishing. So the AMRC Training Centre has really opened my eyes from a practical perspective. So gaining those skills to be able to bring those back to Tribosonics has really enabled the operations team to thrive and grow within their projects.
Ben is a rising star at Tribosonics because of two things: his attitude and execution of the plans that he makes. He's someone who's humble, can-do, hard-working and collaborative. He lights up the room when he enters it, and he gets stuff done to an excellent standard.
In the long term, I see myself in a line management role where I can enable the next generation of engineers coming through similar to myself. I feel that I'd be able to add a lot of value to their journey coming through as a young engineer.